Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to create before and after image frames using Frame Mask. Open Photoshop and create a new document, selecting the Frame tool to draw side-by-side frames for your before and after images. Drag the original photo into the first frame and the edited version into the second frame. Adjust each image to highlight the changes clearly. Optional tip, add a dividing line or text labels for clarity. You can also experiment with overlapping frames for a creative effect. Group frames for easy adjustments later. Practicing this method allows you to showcase transformations professionally